Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch a movie today. I'm gonna watch Blair Witch Project. That's it. Each month, you know that I'm reacting to a movie that you guys chose on my Patreon. You had the choice between Blair Witch Project, The Ring, the original one, you know, the Japanese one, and Suspiria. And you chose Blair Witch Project. It doesn't mean that I'm not gonna react to the other two, but not this month. Maybe these movies are gonna come back on another poll, but today we are here for Blair Witch Project. I'm excited for several reasons. Of course, I want to discover that movie which is so popular, which is so cult for a lot of persons, which was also the first one to use that kind of way of filming, you know, horror movie like that. I'm a fan of Paranormal Activity. I really loved the first one. The second one was great also, the ones after that, you know, but I loved Paranormal Activity, the first one. I watched it, you know, in theater. That was so great, with a full room, you know, with a lot of persons, and we were all checking and all at the same time. It was so great. So normally Blair Witch Project, it can please me, and I'm interested by it, you know. Also I'm intrigued to discover the first movie which was using that kind of way of filming stuff. So we'll see what I'm gonna think about it. I'm also really excited because that's it, sun is back. Maybe we're gonna have a little summer, and I'm gonna be in holidays during 3 days, and it's perfect, you know, for the timing, for the weather. We had 2 weeks of rain, and finally we have some sun, and it's gonna be when I'm gonna be in holidays. I'm excited about that. I'm also excited because, as you can see, I don't have my splint anymore. I can't do that, and because of that I'm gonna be forced maybe a little during the movie, you know, to use something. I'm gonna show it to you. This, okay, I'm gonna do this maybe a little during the movie because I need to re-educate my finger, so I need to do that at least during 1 hour each day. So during a movie it's the perfect time for me to do it. I hope that you can understand that. So yes, I need to re-educate my finger, but no splint anymore, so I can move my hands, and you know how much I love to talk with my hands, and that's it. I can finally take a shower. Normally I can do my dishes. Normally 1 month and 1 week of splint, that was too much for me. And you know, I have trouble with that finger since 2 years now, 2 years and a half, so I was beginning to be tired of it, but that's it. I can move it and I'm not feeling any pain. And it was only yesterday, you know, that they took out my splint, so I'm still excited about that. Also, for those of you who are following me on Twitter, you saw that I had some issues. I mean, my neighbor had some water issues just right there, so we thought that maybe it was coming from my apartment. A lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of calls that I had to make, and all of that for finally having someone, an expert, coming this morning into my apartment, investigating on the stuff and telling me that it's not my apartment inside, but not even outside, you know, my pipes. It's maybe more the general pipes, or maybe the one of my neighbor. See, so that's why I'm excited and really into a good mood. 2 issues, my finger and that water issue, resolved in only 1 day. I love that so much. The only issue that I have still now, it's my MacBook, which is old, you know. I told it, maybe not in a movie reaction, 2012 now, so almost 10 years. It He's a little tired and he's crashing down a lot during the 2 last weeks. That was really a lot, and sometimes it's crashing a lot during the same day, so I'm losing an entire day of work because of that. So I need to replace it, and I'm waiting to have enough money, you know, that I'm keeping from my Patreon to buy a new one. Normally, at the end of this month of August, that's gonna be alright. Normally, if you want to help me, you know, if you want to support me for that, or just to support me, or also to have access to these reaction videos about movies earlier, because if you are watching this on YouTube, you are 1 month late. This video was out on August on Patreon. They chose it for August, they have it in August, and you on YouTube, you have it 1 month after that on September. And normally you on YouTube, you're gonna have Goodfellas. But yes, if you want to support me, if you want also to have the extended reaction part of that reaction video, go on my Patreon. You can have that. The link is on the description. And that intro was a mess. It's not a surprise with me, even less because of the fact that I'm excited, so it's a mess. Let's go for Blair Witch Project. I know I should watch it, you know, during the night to be fully into the mood and all, but if I'm doing that, you're not gonna be able to see me, so no. But don't worry, you know me also, I can get involved into a show and into movies really quick if they are well done. I really don't care about what is happening outside of it. I'm fully invested into it. Let's go for this movie. I told you, I'm excited today. Today is a good day. It's one of the things, you know, that I love the most in life, when you have a list of issues into your head, you know, that you have to resolve, and when you can erase one, you know, into your head, it's really like, you know, you can release one and your head is clear and you're like, wow, that's so great. Is it just me or you also?
Should we all like cut our fingers open and bleed on it? On the slate?
Is it a prediction?
This is Burkittsville, formerly Blair. There are an unusually high number of children laid to rest here, most of whom passed in the 1940s.
Mr. Parr is an old hermit.
Well, I've heard stories about her from people and neighbors and stuff. Like
Mr. Parr, he said.
Some of the young kids started to disappear.
Hello! I'm sorry, I'm gonna be forced to make a break. I'm gonna come back to see the movie later. I want to see my brother and also my sister and my little nephew. I'm back. And I think that the light is really different. Maybe it's better, you know, we're gonna be more into the mood of the movie with the light going down like that. Maybe. Yes, the kid doesn't want you to tell that story.
And they disappeared off the face of the earth.
They searched his house and they found the bodies of 7 kids from the area.
Kids down in the basement by 2, so he made one face into the corner,
Really?
and then he would kill the other one.
Ah! I don't understand the link between the witch and Mr. Parr.
You believe in witchcraft?
No,
No?
no, we are.
Are you a religious man?
Yep.
I believe there's something happening with her.
There really isn't many people that say this on it, but there was this old woman, Mary Brown. who used to- Yeah.
She's still alive?
My dad and I would go fishing down by Catherine's Creek. I was laying down on the leaves, pile of leaves, kind of watching my phone and looking up at the sky. I felt like something was near me. It was like a woman, only on her arm, on her hands and everything. It was like here, like
I don't believe in ghosts, but I believe, you know, in energies. Bad and good energy for place, for people. It's filmed like a documentary without any music and all, and I find that more immersive.
There's my friend Josh.
Hey.
How are you?
Josh, Mike, and
Hello?
I didn't get her name.
Damn fool kids will never learn. And what makes you say that?
Robin Weaver, I believe her name was, supposedly just wandered off, disappeared into the woods.
supposedly a baddie.
Okay, you're a believer, you. She doesn't have the same appearance for all of you. Last time that you saw your car?
We are totally on track. I know exactly where we are now. There it is. On top of the rock formation, the story of the torture inflicted upon these brave 5 men unfolded. Each was bound
5
to
men
each
now?
man
How many stories do you have around that place?
He was a total cat.
If I heard a cat, I would have shit in my pants.
Where'd we start out yesterday?
Often.
All I'm saying is that you got us lost, man.
For a very brief amount of time.
Heather, I think that it's the first time that they're pronouncing your name.
Lost, admit that first.
We're I know we're not lost.
I hate that, to be lost somewhere and all. That's a feeling that I hate. For me, it's close to the fact that I'm a little claustrophobic, you know, think about not being able to go out when I want. Do you understand what I mean?
Right. Exactly.
So I'm just putting my trust in you that you know it's...
So don't complain. Nah, you're using a lot of tapes doing that. It was expensive, all of these tapes.
How are we going to get the bad cross? How? What is this?
What is this?
Dude, guys, with your life. I don't know if this counts. 3,
A Celtic one also.
6, 7.
Like the 7 kids
Come back to rock again. Rock.
during the night. You're making too much noise.
You didn't just not bend over and put it back.
You are.
Can't be too careful. Hello?
You heard something?
Listen.
I'm trying to listen.
I ain't going down there.
Why not?
Because I'm not. I don't hear shit.
Because you're fucking scared. We have to go a little differently to get back because we went around in a curve a little bit.
You honest?
So that was the most direct way to hit our 2 locations. Now this is the most
Yes,
direct
you
way back to
did
the park.
that to pass
Yes.
the cemetery, the rocks. For that, okay, the logic is okay. The application? Let's just not lose your temper.
Look, I'm not saying for certain.
Why am I camping here?
Maybe we're near the car. Maybe we're near the car.
Give me the fucking map.
The map is in my pocket. You're gonna have to wait a second. You wanna see the map? Relax, Mike.
Mike is a new guy, he doesn't know you. He's lost into the woods with 2 strangers. Give him some minutes to calm down. Imagine a situation like that right now. They would be all of them with the phone for the localization.
Hear that?
It's like someone working on things or also like fire, you know, it's weird.
Like 2 seconds ago. And then
So
it was
3
outside
nights
of our town.
and 4 days now? Oh!
I am seriously fucking positive these
You
were
would
not
have
here.
seen it,
Probably like
them.
just made a campsite in between 3 piles of rocks just by coincidence.
This is way fucking weird, but it really doesn't matter at this point because all I want to do is get the goddamn car.
Yes, continue. I'm on this side, you know, whatever it is, you have to get
We're
out.
out of here. We're out of here.
You don't want to mess with anyone, anything who did that. No matter what. Just be quiet, respectful, and get out.
No, I didn't take the fucking map, man. I'm not playing head games, man. If anyone's playing head games, you're playing head games.
I'm serious, I don't have it.
Are you fucking serious?
I'm serious, I don't have the map, okay?
You have the thing for the direction, the compass.
I know, and I've always had the map in the same place, and if it's not there, one of you had to have taken it.
Let's go. No, you want to stay here, you want to film rocks, you want to look around.
We're going this way because that's the way we've been going for a fucking day. We're going this way and that's it. We gotta come across something.
I'm on this team, you know. Don't move from that direction and at some point you're gonna eat something, you know.
I know. Exactly.
The area is not that fucking big.
Exactly.
Yes, just go in the direction and don't lose that direction.
Are you?
Just get wet.
He's laughing. Look at this.
He's losing it.
Keep going, please.
I prefer that mood.
Well, I find it very cool when I get laughed at because my shoes are wet for the rest of the day. I find that fucking hilarious.
Not a good day to take everything personally.
All your shoes are wet. You were laughing at the situation. I kicked that fucking into the creek yesterday. It was useless. I kicked that fucker into the creek.
What?
I fucking hate this
Beauty.
thing. I really fucking...
Fuck off me, man.
Why did you do that?
I'm doing shit.
What about working well together?
This was your own ass. You
Useless to you, yes.
Yesterday I asked you what fucking river we were. Get this fucking camera off.
You're gonna kill each other. Just follow the compass, one direction. Don't move from it.
What?
What step?
No way.
Hanging?
Holy shit.
The rocks, you know, like that, it was not voodoo. They are mixing, you know, a lot of different religious stuff.
Stop taping! Please stop taping!
Okay, we're leaving right now.
Yes, you don't want to spend the night right there.
This is not the way to get out of here.
It can be one. Let him try.
It's safe to say at this point that we're lost.
Thank you, Captain Obvious.
It's not let a fire tonight.
Yeah, I think.
It's 2 nights in a row we had a fire. We didn't light one the first night.
And nothing happened.
Fire is protecting you, you know. That's what they told me. Nightfall, right? What? It's someone.
Take the video. No, get it that ready.
You want to, yes, okay, record that.